exporting marble and granite to the Maldives.
Where India's natural beauty meets craftsmanship. Precision, the core of excellence. Petros Stone LLP, elevating stone artistry across the world.
Each marble slab is vital information, including origin, size, and weight. Granite slab is meticulously prepared, ensuring precise identification during processing. Our quality team, in collaboration with third-party auditors, ensures that only flawless marble and granite slabs reach the Maldives. Expertly carved grooves on marble and granite slabs enhance both form and function, meeting the exacting quality standards of our Maldivian customers. Our marble and granite slabs are thoughtfully packed in sturdy crates, providing an extra layer of protection during transit to the Maldives. The loading process is carried out with the utmost care to optimize space utilization and ensure the safety of the slabs during transit. Once prepared, our premium marble and granite slabs are securely shipped to the Maldives, ready to become part of stunning architectural projects across the islands. Thank you for choosing quality and craftsmanship.